Oh my God, this is unbelievable. Oh, this is so embarrassing. I didn't plan a speech, but let me just say that it was an honor just to be nominated. Tomorrow is the second annual Influencer Awards. And it's always a massive party. But this year, the Best Beauty Influencer Award is going to me.
The nominees for Best Beauty Influencer are Pia Muhlenbeck, Sally Joe, Rachel Brooke, and Claudia Morello.
The award for Best Beauty Influencer goes to...
Claudia Morello.
I have so many people to thank. But firstly, I want to thank myself for working extremely hard and creating incredible makeup looks. Do you know what? I also want to thank...
I'm sorry, there's been a mistake. They had the wrong card. Rachel Brooke, you've won Best Beauty Influencer.
Oh, my gown was custom made by Donatella herself. And my shoes, oh, aren't they divine? Unreleased Louboutin, one of a kind.
A custom-made Donatella gown? No, she said that? I reached out to over 40 designers and nobody wanted to dress her this year. Ellie, we need to hurry on.
Ellie, help me.
Are you taking a +1?
Don't know, Carol. Am I? Who should I take?
I could go.
Oh, I'd love to take Carol, but I really don't want her to come. She thinks she's better than me, and it's exhausting. Unfortunately, that leaves Ellie. And she's a bit of a downer. And open?
I really want to look pretty. God, I'm not a miracle worker. Guys, if we don't leave now, we're gonna be late.
I'm not on my game today. Oh, well, time to go. Oh, this is it. Night of nights. Oh, I can't wait to see everyone. The best thing, like literally, about the beauty community is that we are all the best of friends. We go to the same events, we go to brand trips. We're a big, happy family.
Do you have your invitation?
Carol, I do not need an invitation. This whole event is for me.
Name?
Claudia Morello. There's no Claudia Morello on the list. Could it be under Chloe?
No, sorry.
There is some kind of mistake here.
No mistake. No name, no entry.
Look, if this is about those tweets, I filmed an apology video. I just didn't upload it.
You're blocking the entrance. We have famous celebrities coming through.
Oh my God, Cookie, come on through. You look fab.
Carol?
Oh my God. Hi. Come on in.
No, I'm just the driver.
Oh, yeah, right you are. You're nominated for Best Culinary Influencer. Didn't you get our invite? We sent it weeks ago.
No, but I'm not even
dress? I had no idea.
Yes, you are. This is Carol. She's VIP, and you get a second on your invite. Do you want to take,
Oh. Carol! Carol!
Yeah, can you get the car? That'd be great, thanks.
No, look this way. Thank you.
No name, no entry. Huh. Oh my god, Carol from Cooking with Carol. Oh my god, I love your channel. What is that? Polyester from Kmart. You look amazing. Oh, hi, it's me, Leighton Meester. I thought I'd show up to your little soiree. I was in Gossip Girl.
Carol Parodies turning heads in a daring polyester ensemble.
Carol, look this way.
Carol, first of all, big fan. Second of all, you look fantastic. I must know, who dressed you?
I just dressed myself.
And the winner of Best New Talent is... Cookie!
Pick up the poop. Pick it up.
And we have a stacked field of talent in the Best Beauty Influencer category. Sally Joe, Rachel Brooke,
You don't need those. You can wash your hands later. Pick up.
Pia Muhlenbeck,
Just with your hands. Come on. Let's go. Hurry. Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Wow. This is so truly unbelievable. But I must admit, I do deserve this.
security! Security! Hey!
She had it coming!
Claudia? I just wanted to say you should have won tonight, or at least been nominated.
I know.
I'm probably your biggest fan.
That's so sweet.
I want to be a beauty influencer like you.
Trust me, you don't. It's not all it's cracked up to be. Plus, you're just not pretty enough. And you really need to work on your contour. I got a dog. Yay! I actually wanted a Frenchie, but all of the breeders had 12-month wait lists and think about it. Keep going. Keep going. We'll do that bit again. It came out really. Cut.
I do deserve this. This. Sorry. That is so shocking.